Good morning guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Pa-info lang guys, gusto ni Tatay Mita paaboton daw million supporters din sa social media sa akong pag-vlog. Yeah. I-try ko lang akong or i-challenge akong kamulingon. Thank you for support, to all support and followers, non-followers. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and God bless. Palagi ko like and share guys, palagi ko like and share.